Hello and good afternoon. We want to do a little exercise in integration suitable for years 16 and 17 and above, which sometimes causes a little problem to beginners. So we want to evaluate the integral of sine inverse x all squared between the limits 0 and 1/2, with integration with respect to x. So let t equal sine inverse x, then dt equals dx over square root 1 minus x squared. I'll explain that step at the bottom of the page. So continuing on from there, that means dt will be dx over square root 1 minus sine squared t, which is dx over cos t. And the integral transforms to the integral between the limits 0 and pi upon 6, t squared cos t dt. So we'll use integration by parts to work that bit out. So, using the rule, we have the first, which is t squared, times the integral of the second, which is sine t, between the limits 0 and pi upon 6. I won't keep mentioning the limits, minus the integral of the first differentiated, which is 2t, times the integral of the second, which is sine t dt. And continuing from there, worked out the first part, which is pi squared over 36 times 1/2 minus 0. And then the integral part, again, we'll apply the rule for integration by parts. So that will be 2 bracket, and inside we'll have the first, which is the t, minus the times the integral of the second, which is minus cos t, and then minus the integral of the difficult of the first, which is 1, times the integral of the second, which is minus cos t. And then continuing, we have pi squared over 72, and working out the first bracket with the limits, that would be 2 times pi over 6 times root 3 over 2 minus 0, and the integral part is minus 2 times the integral of cos t dt. So that equals pi squared over 72 plus pi root 3 over 6 minus, and performing the integration, that's 2 sine t, and between working that out, the limits, that would be pi squared over 72 plus pi root 3 over 6 minus 1. Now, since some of you are probably new to inverse trig functions, to find the differential, first of all, if t is sine inverse x, that means x is sine of t. And so dx equals cos t dt, which is square root 1 minus sine squared dt, which is square root 1 minus x squared dt, which means dt equals dx over 1 minus x squared. So I hope that clears things up. And thanks very much for listening.